Hello class, I created this video to help with some homework problems. In this problem you have a golf bag that has 4 red balls, 4 orange balls, 10 green balls, and you're asked to find the probability of the following event: that the golf ball is red or orange. Okay, so here is our formula sheet. Probability of, well, if we say E is red and F is orange, the probability of red or orange is equal to the probability of red plus the probability of orange minus the probability of red and orange. Well, this is 0 for us, right? Because when we pick a ball, the ball can't be both red and orange, right? It might be red, it might be orange, but it can't be red and orange. So this event here is 0. So really what we need is this plus this, red plus orange. So the probability that it's red would be the 4 red out of 18, right? Why 18? Because 10 plus 4 is 18 balls. So you have a 4 out of 18 chance at picking red, plus a 4, because there's 4 orange balls, 4 out of 18 chance of picking orange. I get 0.444. So we put in 1, 2, 3. We check answer. We get the 100%. Next question. Okay, you got a 3-year-old male salamander. The probability that will live to be 4 years old is 0.95307. So I guess the question is, what is the probability that 2 of these salamanders will live to be 4 years old? So this is a pretty good probability. This is like 95%. So what we need to do is we would take 0.95307 times 0.95307, or in this case, we could just raise it to the second power and put that answer in. So I'm going to enter 0.908. How many decimals? 5 decimal places. Wow. So we're going to round all the way out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for part B, what's the probability that 7 salamanders will live to be this old? So now, really, I'm just going to raise this to the 7th power. Oops. Right, so this is the equivalent of doing 0.95307 times 0.95307, and so on. And then we're going to enter that decimal. Okay, just make sure I round it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. Looking good. Then it says a probability at least 1 of 7. Okay, so if I do 1 minus, this is the complement, 0.71429, right? So this is the probability that all 7 live that long. So if I do the opposite, or the complement, 1 minus this, right? So if 71% will make it, 30% or 29% will not make it. So when we, 28.571. All right, so I just double check my numbers. I think that looks good. And then it says, would it be unusual if at least one of the salamanders did not live to be 4? And the answer is no, because the probability is greater than 5%. If this was less than 5%, we'd say that's an unusual event. But since this is greater than 5%, we'll say that is not an unusual event. Check answer. 100% correct.